In this video, I'll show you how you can generate AI images on Canva. Now this is really simple, guys. What you want to do is head over to Canva and make a template. Then you want to find the apps, and inside of apps you want to search for AI image gen, this one right here. Once you have searched for this one and you pressed it, you can simply type in what you wanted to create. So let's just say a frog and create. And you just have to wait for this to be done. Now, the more specific you are in your prompt, the better it will create the picture. So you can say a frog in a forest, and it will create a new one. And just wait and see until this one is done. And you can also make it in similar styles. So you can type cartoon style, or you can type if you want it to be minimalistic. But that's basically how it works. So this is the simple frog, and this is the simple frog in the forest. So that's how it works, guys. AI image gen is completely free, so you can just go and download it and use it in there. Now, I really hope you enjoyed this short video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.